Ah! It's thundering. It's hailing. Oh my goodness. It's snowing. Look at this. Oh, you can't see it. Oh look, there's sunlight all the way over there. Uh-oh, I hear thundering. It's snowing in Fresno. I mean, it's hailing in Fresno. Ow! That hail is strong. Uh-oh, I hear thunder. Ow, I can't stand here for long. Ah, it's raining too hard. I mean, it's hailing too hard. Okay, I'm in a shelter right now. Oh boy, look at that. I see flashes of lightning. I hear thunder. Whoa! It's getting louder. The hail is getting stronger. Look at that. Uh-oh, how am I supposed to get back inside my house now? Oh my goodness. It's so cold. Okay, I'm gonna make a one for it. One for my door. Oh my goodness, so much snow. So much hail. I'm gonna slip off. Hopefully I don't slide and trip. Oh my goodness, I'm shaking right now. Okay, it got softer. Okay, I can make a run. Ah! Open the door, open the door. Okay, okay, here. That was nice. Thank God.